Welcome to Dyslexia on Demand, your home for CALT-based remote dyslexia therapy. My name is Megan Pinchback, and I founded Dyslexia on Demand for one reason: to provide a solution to families and individuals looking for a way to access certified academic language therapists. Not everyone is located near the professionally certified help that they need, and we've solved that problem. My team is available 7 days a week for all ages. Our students and adults are located all across the United States, many of them living in areas that are very rural that don't have access to the certified help that they need, but now they do. This video is to personally invite you to contact me. I am the owner, the founder, and a CALT therapist myself. I'm here to answer any and all questions that you may have, and I really look forward to learning more about your students and your patients and how we could help serve them.